Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be talking about the products that were in Daily Goodie Box for the month of May. I have Daily Goodie Box's website and their Facebook page linked in the description box, as well as the links to the other products. And if you haven't heard of Daily Goodie Box, it's basically just a website where you sign up and you fill out a profile, and then you have chances at random of getting picked to receive a Daily Goodie Box full of free, full-size, small size, and deluxe size samples. And you can increase your chances by commenting on their Facebook posts because they randomly give out boxes there as well. So let's start with this tea. So this is CUSA tea. This is the variety pack. These are instant tea packets where you get premium tea in 3 seconds. The variety pack has 2 English breakfast, 2 mango green, 2 lemon black, 2 chai tea, 1 oolong tea, and 1 green tea. And my favorite part about this is that there's no natural flavors. The tea sources are actual leaves, and then the pieces of, like for mango, it actually has pieces of mango in it. And the caffeine content varies based on the type of tea that it is. And just looks like packets like these. So these are really convenient to take to work with you. It's easy, you don't have to like worry about steeping and everything. You just pour it in and you mix it. You can use hot water or cold water. Okay. Then I also got Michele's granola, which is handmade in small batches. So it's made with basically simple ingredients. And my favorite part of this is that there's less sugar, so there's only 6 grams, whereas other brands often have like 15. So 6 is not too bad. Opened it up so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just a basic granola. It smells delightful. This applesauce, this is Prince and Spring brand applesauce pouch, and it's basically just apples ground up into an applesauce, and it is certified organic by Organic Tilth. This is Kombucha with the flavor raspberry lemon. It's got a lot of sugar, so 20 grams is kind of excessive. I don't think that it needs that much. And it actually has lemon in here and raspberry juice concentrate, but then it also has the mysterious natural flavors. And I read Amazon reviews of most people saying that they also agree that there's too much sugar in here compared to other kombucha brands. So even though all of these products are worth being excited about, Kika's treats are particularly exciting because they are dark chocolate covered palm sugar caramels with crunchy rice. So what I like about these caramels is that they specifically are made with butter and cream, as opposed to the fake ingredients that caramels are normally made out of. Here, trying to get that to focus for you. So you can read the ingredients. And she even says they made with palm sugar, which is an incredibly tasty and nutritious sweetener. Kika's caramels have a uniquely delicious flavor, unlike any other caramel you've ever tried, which I can believe. Because it's made with actual butter in it, and it has real vanilla, and the chocolate source does not say unsweetened chocolate. It actually says that it has cacao beans. So I'm expecting this to taste pretty rich. And there are 3 adorable truffles in here with little sea salt flakes. This is PiperWai activated charcoal deodorant. It's aluminum free, gender neutral, has a lot of essential oils, so it smells mainly citrusy, and it's made for sensitive skin. So the ingredients actually are fantastic, and I haven't used this because I want to finish up my other deodorants first. It's like this nice gray color, and it smells really, really good. Try it out on my hand. Okay, so I see some kind of glow on my hand, but it doesn't have a color at all. And the scent is really light. Goddess Garden SPF 30 facial sunscreen. I've used their other products before, so I tried this out today, and it is, well, let's say that the ingredients are excellent. It has 19% zinc oxide only, no other, so it's mineral-based sunscreen, which does cause the skin to be white, but this one left a pretty significant white cast, and it comes out kind of like it's like very goopy. It's like cottage cheese almost. My initial impression, like it's just like it made my hand white, and it makes my face even more ghostly white. And then the last product is very cool. This is a Korean brand, so this is Pure Aura Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Mask, and let's just point out how awesome this packaging is. Very cool, very galaxy-like. And this was made in Korea, and it's supposed to hydrate and just make your skin feel really good. So I am interested to try this. So it has like a foil backing, which is supposed to act as insulation to boost the ingredient effectiveness and provide a deeper repair to the skin. And you just apply it like a regular mask, and then afterwards you're supposed to tap the remaining essence on your face until it's absorbed. Alright, so that's everything inside the box. There's coupons as usual. They actually have a really cool one with CUSA tea, where if you leave a review on Amazon, you can get another free box. So that's awesome. So even if you just buy a box and you leave a review, they'll give you a free box just for saying thanks. So that's everything, you guys, for May. If you would like to check out my other unboxings, I will link some of them in the description box. And you can check out my other videos. I have some crafty stuff, some, DIYs, some food stuffs. And I'm also on Instagram if you'd like to check out that. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!